You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Welcome back, everyone. We got a pretty sweet video. Really good video game score here. And at the end of the video, I'll announce the winner to the giveaway. Check it out.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not bad.
We don't have everything out yet, but...
Okay. Is there anything in the box of shoes?
yeah, those are... Oh yeah, he'll come back out here and tell you. We'll wait for him.
Any toys or video game type stuff?
We have tons of video games that haven't come out yet.
Do you know what systems?
We have Xbox 360 and Wii U and Wii.
Okay, cool.
You had my curiosity, but now you have my attention.
And Xbox. No, nothing in the garage for sale except for the clothes.
How much are these?
So these are gonna be 50,
Uh-huh.
and then these are gonna be 40.
40? You didn't do like 30 on these, would you? No? How about 40?
45.
All right, Dad.
45? Sure. But when the video game's gonna come out? When the video games? Yeah.
Once there's like less people out here, we can go inside and go grab them.
Okay.
But we will be out here till what? 1?
Yeah.
Well, I just know if I don't see them now, then I ain't gonna see them. They're gonna be gone.
I got you.
Everybody's gonna be asking for a guarantee.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the tables out here. Thank
There
you.
you go. Thank you. Here's a better look at those shoes with the extra laces. They're used, but look to be in pretty good condition. So I'll throw a comp up here. Cool.
All right, here you go.
I think there's some more
First
inside
look.
too.
Yeah, there are.
Okay.
There's a whole bunch of Skylanders that I still have to go through.
Okay.
Those are
Books
books,
and
but
stuff.
here's the...
Okay.
These are all books here, and then these are all games. This is the Wii U.
And a Wii U. Okay. Do you have a price if I just bought it all? Or
Price if you bought it all.
I don't even know. Oh yeah.
Apparently my prices are on your list.
Minecraft.
And every single game is in there. I checked them all yesterday.
You did? Okay, cool.
But you can open them up.
Nah, if you checked them,
Yeah.
I trust you.
Wii U. Oh, and this DS.
Okay.
No more. Okay. Let me.
Let's see. The 3D ones.
Zell? Yes. Okay. Oh.
bags? Yes.
Tráeme mi teléfono.
Grandma's always prepared.
Right? No, she really is.
I think there's some more gaming stuff inside too. I'm sorry.
I think these are just books and big.
Yeah, these are all.
There's like Minecraft and Pokemon books. So I'd just be interested in these too.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. I can't get my kids to read no more, so. That's a 3DS and then Wii U.
This is everything we
This
need.
is
There's
all the
extra
games.
adapters in here
Okay.
too.
Yeah.
Give me 2 seconds.
For the bikes? Okay.
I don't think this will fit in the hanger.
Yeah, that's in. Oh no. That doesn't have to go in hanger. That's it.
How much is the hat?
So where do I put
Like
it?
$5.
5.
$75.
75 bucks?
Yeah.
Will you throw the hat in?
Yeah.
Cool. I'll do it.
Grandma, is this your dealer's dress or my mom's? That's mine.
How much is it?
Okay. So how about one of these?
I'll give you 60 real quick.
How much did you give it off for? Nice. I put them down there.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Thank you. Enjoy.
Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks for being patient with us.
Ah, yeah.
Sorry.
All good. Any more hats you're selling?
No, but there are the Skylander toys, like the ones that you sit on here.
Oh, you have more of those?
Yeah, like I don't know if you.
Are they down in there? Or
No, they're not in here.
I know you're talking about Skylanders. Yeah.
Yeah, the whole thing is upstairs in the bottom of the box. I can save them. I can put them to the side for you when we go through them later. Sorry.
Okay. You wanna? Can I leave my number?
Yes.
You just call me.
Yes,
Okay.
and I will. Yes.
This close. I'm cutting it out. You already know it's Tom.
I kind of spaced on. I was like, oh yeah, about that.
Okay, so these are all the whole bunch of these, and then there's the infinity one.
How much for the Skylander one?
Dad, help me out. The Skylander ones. All of these. 50?
50.
There's a lot in here.
Let's see.
And then I think you might have the games already.
Yeah, I think I do.
Here's two.
Honestly, I probably pass on them. I'll just grab these. How much for that?
20.
20?
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking $5.
10.
10. Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. Thank
There
you.
you go. Thanks. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks so much. Okay, so I'm gonna do a breakdown of the games that were in that lot. I put these in 3 stacks. First stack is the cheap shovelware junk, $10 or less. So I'll count those at $3 a piece. The next stack is the middle stack. That's anywhere from $13 to $30 in that stack. So last but not least, we have the cream of the crop stack. These are the highest dollar games, best of all being Game and Wario, which is over $100 game. I'll throw some comps up while I'm doing this. But yeah, great to see some of these titles in there.
Give me a hell yeah!
Alright, so here's the Wii U that was in the bag. I'll give it a good testing. There's also some other Rock Band cords and chargers and Wii power cord, other accessories. So, good little bonus. Alright, I have the random comment picker pulled up. We're going to draw a winner for the giveaway. Thanks again for 1,000 subscribers.
Yay, yay!
Alright, so let's see. Alright, we got Catsman, who wants a gift card. Congratulations, bro, if you're a bro. And hit me up. I'll include email here. And for the hell of it, let's pick one more. Alright, congratulations, Becky. You get the mystery box. Once again, hit me up at the email address that I'm going to put in the video. Congratulations to the 2 winners, and thanks for watching, and stick around because there's more to come. Alright, here's a bag of 3DS stuff. Alright, so here we have all the games that were in that bag. I broke them down from the ones that were worth the most to the least going up. I won't bore you with a breakdown, but here is the total value of the games. And then for the system, I'll throw a comp on the screen. It works, by the way. So yeah.
Finish him. Flawless victory.
Man, it's freaking hot here in Texas. If you enjoyed that, like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. We got plenty more in store. Peace out.
Wow.
You're still here? It's over. Go home.